ready. See you o'clock.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel at house number 24. I am Usha, today taking you to one of the garden video. Today is Sunday, so this space is completely for my garden. So I'll show you the simple fertilizer that you can prepare from your kitchen to garden. It is zero investment, but you get lot of return. That I've been using this for almost like 1 year, and I can see a lot of improvement in my plants. That micronutrients, microbial activity and soil health that improves while you adding this fertilizer every time. It is so easy to prepare, and also it is suitable for all the weather conditions that you did not have to think whether you should give it or not. You have to just give it. High dose, low dose, nothing to worry, just give them and forget about, you will get a lot of returns. So let's get into the video. Can you see this? This is what we are going to give today for our plants. Yes, vegetable peels and fruit peels. So you get it every day in your kitchen. So we just discard them as a wet waste, but it is a lot of useful in your garden. So what you have to just do it, collect them and grind them in a mixie jar, and whatever you get it, you have to mix them in 10 liters of water, like dilute them and water to your flower and vegetable and fruit plants. I would not advise give it to ornamental plants, because ornamental plants few are really delicate. So that's the reason not to take a chance. Let's not give it to ornamental plants, but you can give all your flower, fruit, vegetable plants. You grind them all peels, it looks like this. So few people will use this vegetables to make a kitchen compost. You can do as that as well, but for the quick we can make it like this. So I'm diluting here to 10 liters of water, and I will start giving to the plants. So this kitchen waste, especially food peel and vegetable peel, will have lot of micro and macro nutrients, and it has all nutrients that is needed for the plants. It helps the plants overall growth. So you will not get too much of peels in a day. So one day if you are watering 10 plants, in another day you can water another 10 plants. Like that you can, in a week you can complete garden, you can water them. So here I'm showing here how to water. Your dose you need not have to worry, just give them, like I'm giving full whole jug for the one pot. So likewise, if it is a small pot, give half mug, like that you can water them, water the plant, the fertilizer. It kind of a tea for the plants. This magic liquid fertilizer will take 5 minutes for us to prepare and give it to them. So but the yield and the return what you will get, you will be amazed by it. So that's it for this video. You can give them either in the morning or in the evening, this fertilizer. That's it for this video. I'll see you in another video. Till then, take care, keep smiling, happy gardening, enjoy green. Tata, bye bye.